All right, I'm putting the headlights on right now. Super easy. All you do is clip them in, put the clip in, just like that. You'll hear the click. Then you'll take your bolt and your headlight, get it up here, your bolt through your headlight. Then once it starts tightening up a little bit, make sure you got it angled where you want it. I think about right there is good. You can also change the angle with a little screwdriver underneath. I'll show you that in a little bit. And just get it hand tight, snug, so that these don't move anywhere. Now do it to the other side, and then I'll show you how to adjust the light. All right, so this little screw right here is how you adjust the light up and down. All right, so I took one of these apart to show you how the screw works. Basically, this part moves like that. So this is the right side up. Screwing that in brings this closer, which makes it tilt upwards, the light upwards. So if you screw it in, the light's gonna go up. If you screw it out, the light's gonna go down. Okay, so as you can see, it's dark out. I'm about to start this thing and show you all the lights. Doesn't show up that good on camera, but they actually work really well. They light up pretty much the whole street. I got them pretty much angled where I want it, where it's about 10 feet in front of me. It's hitting the ground so I can see the ground, because if you just have them up pointed, it's the same thing as like car headlights. If you have them pointed straight out, you're not gonna be able to see the ground. You're only gonna be, you're not really gonna be able to see anything, because unless there's something in front of you like a house, the light's not gonna hit anything. Eventually it'll just fade away. You want it about 10, 15 feet in front of you probably. It depends what kind of riding you're doing as well, I guess. If you're doing trail riding, you might want it like 5 to 10 feet away from you. You can do them wherever you want. If you like them a little bit further out, do them a little bit further out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, share this video. We appreciate all the support.